A bill proposing to repeal Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Mgnrega and replace it with a new legislation titled Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajeevika Mission Gramin VBGRAMG Bill 2025 is likely to be introduced in Parliament. The draft bill circulated among Lok Sabha members today seeks to align rural employment and development with the national vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047 by providing statutory guarantee of 125 days of wage employment per financial year to every rural household willing to undertake unskilled manual work, increasing the existing limit of 100 days under Mgnrega. The proposed law also entails higher financial responsibility for state governments and focuses on empowerment, growth, convergence and saturation through public works, with special emphasis on water security, rural infrastructure, livelihood-linked assets and mitigation of extreme weather events. The bill further proposes the constitution of Central Gramin Rozgar Guarantee Council comprising representatives of the centre and states, Panchayati Raj institutions, workers' organizations and weaker sections of society. It may be noted that Mgnrega was enacted in 2005 by UPA government and renamed in 2009 in honour of Mahatma Gandhi. Reacting to the move to replace the scheme, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra questioned removal of Mahatma Gandhi's name, stating that he was one of the greatest leaders in history and expressing concern over the government's decision.